Vediamo adesso come aggiungere un video in Flipgrid. Entrate con le credenziali che vi ho dato e più o meno dovrebbe apparirvi una schermata simile a questa, forse voi ce l'avete leggermente diversa dalla mia. Qui dovreste avere un Add a New Response oppure Add a New Video. You click on it. Then you have to consent to use your microphone and your camera. And then here we are. If you want to, you can add a photo and you go to FX, Photo, and then you add a photo from your computer. For example, here, I have this photo. So I can enlarge it a little bit and I can put it here. Okay? Right, good. So let's start now. And at this point, you click here to record your video, to shoot your video, okay? Hello? I would like to live in Finland. Why? Well, because it's a very big country with only a few people. It's a very peaceful place and there is a lot of nature. In this photo, you can see trees and snow. In fact, in winter, there is a lot of snow. In Finland, especially in the countryside, you can take very long walks, and I like walking in the countryside a lot. You can go to a cafe to relax and drink coffee and tea and have a cake. And as you know, I love drinking tea and eating a chocolate cake. And so on. E poi continuate. Vedete che avete anche il tempo che scorre, avete a disposizione 1 minuto e mezzo per parlare. Quindi, come vi ho detto a scuola, prima preparatevi alcune frasi e poi provate a dirle. A questo punto sono soddisfatta del tempo del mio video e andrò qui sopra per fermarlo. So I stop the video here. Ok? Once you stopped, you click on next. Of course, you can see your video again. Let's pretend, facciamo finta, that this video is okay. And again, click on next. At this point, here you can either add a link, but there's no need, maybe a link to a site where you have information, or you can describe with no more than 100 words, you can describe what you did, but there's no need, okay? Only if you want to. Now, you are happy about that and you say submit. At this point, as you can see, Flipgrid is uploading your video. And you have to be patient because you have to wait until the process has ended, okay? So let's wait for a little bit more together and let's see if we have our result and if we like our result. So here it's 50%. As you can see, it doesn't take a lot of time to upload. Non ci vuole molto tempo per caricarlo, quindi si fa abbastanza presto. Here we are at 80%. And we're almost done, just a few seconds, and here we are 100%. Okay, done, success, as you can see here. Okay, when you've done, you just click on done. And here you have your video, and also I can see your video from home. That's it.